We start by importing required libraries, SMTP lib to use a simple matrix for protocol, SSL to add a security layer, email messages to format the email, MIME types to guess the MIME of the attachment, and OS to get our credentials. We start by getting our credentials. I've already saved them in my .environment file. If you don't know how to get them, just ask me in the comments below. We add the SSL security layer just for encryption. We define our send email function to require the email receiver subject body. We define if you have any attachment and is HTML if you want to send an HTML for formatting purposes. We start by instantiating an object from the email message class. We add the email receiver, the subject, the sender, the receiver, and subject, and finally the body. If we have an HTML file, we use it using the method add alternative, and the subtype is HTML. Then we set the content if we don't have an HTML file. For attachment, if we have a path, we guess the MIME type of the attachment, and finally we read it as bytes, and we add it to our object. Finally, we log in using SMTP, Gmail SMTP. The port this is by default, but you can use another port. Just make sure it is empty. Then we log in and send the email. For our usage, we start by importing send email function from the app that we've just defined. We define the subject, and for the body, I've just wrote a simple HTML file. Very simple. You could make it as complex as you want. Just no JavaScript because of obvious reasons. Security reasons, of course. We define the email receiver in PDF file path, and finally, we use our function. And let's try it out. So the code has been run successfully, which means supposedly the email has been sent. Let's just check that. So this is the email I've received with the formatting and the attachment.